and first of all, I welcome you to my channel, Chemistry Quest. Basically, the purpose of having this channel or uploading the videos is, as you all know, that we are stuck because of coronavirus or because of COVID-19. So this is very important, crucial time for all of us that we have to stay home, right? We don't have any access to anything. We can't go out. All the schools are shut. Everything is shut down. Being a teacher, what I feel that this is a really very important time for you people, because you are the one who are going to face board exams this year, right? So this is a very important class for you people, and every second and every minute of you is very precious and is very important. So this channel or these videos are not for any commercial purposes. They are not for monetary purposes, for any profitable, nothing like that. These are just out of concern that you should be connected to your subject and you should continue your studies at a very smooth and continuous pace. आपका एक एक मिनट कीमती है, आपका एक एक सेकंड कीमती है, so it should not be wasted at all, right? So with these videos, I have just tried to make the things as simple as possible for you people. I'll cover all the topics given in the NCERT for class 10th, right? So, but I'll cover chemistry portion only. Your 10th class chemistry consists of just first 5 chapters. So we'll try to cover all these chapters in the lockdown so that you can make the most of it. कि अगर ये situation तुम्हारे लिए favorable नहीं भी है तो आप उसको favorable बना सकते हैं, right? So together we can do this. So I'll put my efforts to this. I'll just give you every detail which you require, and you have to follow this detail in a very religious manner. Just go through all the videos, go through all the sections, and in case you have any problems, you can just write to me in the comment box, and you can email me. I'll give the email in the description box, right? And you can ask me your doubts, and you can just be thorough with this topic, right? Or be thorough with the subject. The second motive of making these videos is, basically what I have found is many students, they feel that chemistry is a very tough subject, because of which they don't go for science stream in class 11th or 12th. So I just wanted to make the subject interesting and relatable to you people so that you can follow sciences in class 11 and 12th. It broadens your version, right? So that is the only purpose, right? I hope you will enjoy the videos. I hope you will learn a lot of things from this. And I'll put all my experience of 12 years in these videos. I have worked with many reputed coaching institutes and many reputed schools. So I have a lot of experience of competitions and of NCERT. So I'll put every experience and everything in these videos. So make the most of it. Try to get the most benefit from these videos. Just follow these videos. You can just repeat. You can watch twice in case you don't feel like you are not understanding something. I'll be using very simple languages so that you can easily go through the videos and you can understand each and every topic. So I wish you all the very best, right? And I pray that you all are safe at your places. So stay home, stay safe, पढ़ते रहिए साथ के साथ, take good care of yourself, and we'll begin with the first chapter, which is about chemical reactions and equations. For that, you have to Google search my channel, which is Chemistry Quest. You will get the videos of the chapter over there.